Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in the key of a Vauxhall Corsa D that looks just like that. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right, to do this job, we need two things. Number one, a small flat-headed screwdriver. And number two, a new battery, specifically a CR2032. To remove the old battery, first press this silver button so the key's blade pops out, just like so. Next, turn the key over so we can see its back. And we now need to completely remove this plastic cover. To do that, simply slide your thumb into this gap here where the key's blade was, and then with a little bit of pushing and a little bit of poking, the back simply pops off like so. And that, of course, reveals the battery. Now, before going any further, notice which way the battery is sitting in the key. Specifically, the positive side is facing upwards, all right? And we need to bear that in mind when we install the new battery. So the next stage is to grab the small flat-headed screwdriver, pop it down there, and simply pry the old battery out, like so. That can now be recycled. Then simply grab your new battery, slide it into position. Remember, positive side facing upwards. There we are, just make sure that's nicely seated, and then of course just grab the cover that goes on the back of the key and pop that back into position with a reassuring click. And finally, pop outside your car and check the key works. This one does. And that's it, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. Do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.